Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Fashion Blast. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Realize that true happiness lies within you. Everybody wants happiness, nobody wants pain, but you cannot have. Take time for friends, they are the source of happiness. If you find serenity and happiness, they may be Julius be happy anyway. Don't let the sadness of your past or the fears of your future ruin the happiness. You have it easily in your power to increase the sum total of these words. If you find serenity and happiness, they may be Julius be happy anyway. When it comes to being happy, there's no right or wrong, it's just a battle. It is not happiness that makes us grateful, but the grateful that makes you. No one is no control of your happiness but you, therefore you have the. When someone brings more problems to your life than happiness, it's time. The key to happiness is to realize that you are in complete control of how. Happiness is not having what you want, but wanting what you have. Everyone wants happiness. Nobody wants pain. But you cannot have a rainbow. Happiness is made, not found. Everyone can make it if they want. Plenty of people miss their share of happiness not because they never found. Some people will try to spoil your happiness just because they have nothing. Life is short. Grudges or wants of perfect. Our hearts is a place to draw true happiness. Follow your heart because if you always trust your mind, you will always action. A better life has been achieved when we are no longer trying to achieve. Here is a piece of advice: never put your happiness in someone else's hands. Life is filled with challenges. Don't let happiness be one of them. But the struggles make you stronger and the changes make you wise. Just because someone left does not mean your happiness is gone. Don't let anyone steal your happiness. It was never theirs to take. Life is filled with challenges. Don't let happiness be one of them. Be the reason of someone's happiness, never just a part of it. And beauty might bring happiness, but happiness always brings beauty. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. There is a time in everybody's life when you have to stop being. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to case worrying about. Happiness is the meaning and purpose of life, the whole aim and end of. Negativity is thief, it steals happiness. If you want to be happiness is not something to find, it's something to. Happiness comes from realizing you are no longer unhappy. The enemy of the present happiness is the past.